What's going on, guys? We are back in the shop with some new products for you, and this is going to be specifically for you F-150 owners, even more specifically the 21 to 23 F-150 owners. Now, what we've got is a full set of Morimoto's XB offerings for the new F-150. So we've got headlights, matching grille with DRLs in them, and a set of taillights. Now, Ford did a fairly decent job with the new generation F-150, giving you a halogen offering, a reflector LED offering, which you'll see here on this truck, as well as a full LED projector housing. These lights are going to replace either the factory halogen or the factory reflector LEDs that we got going on here. Now, not a terrible looking headlight, but Morimoto improved upon that with their light output, all black housing, and a full wraparound DRL. Now, these headlights are actually going to come available in a white DRL, as we've got here, as well as a full amber DRL if you're into that more off-road look. Now, to match with that, we've also got the full DRL grille Morimoto supplies. This is a paintable black, but because we're putting on a black truck, we're not going to bother. But if you did have a different color, you could take this center section, have it painted to match your truck, and everything would flow real nice. Now, this is also going to be available in a white or amber DRL version. This is going to be the white, again, to match the headlights. Now, over here on the end, we've got the XB tails that are going to go with this kit. Now, the tail lights are going to be a really trick offering from Morimoto. Now, these are going to be compatible with every single model, whether you have the halogen or you have the top of the line. Even the Raptor, these taillights will work with, because they do have the blind spot monitors built in. Now, obviously, if you have the halogen without that, you don't need to plug that in, but at least you have the look of the higher end taillights, making it look like a higher trim model. In addition to being compatible with everything, these have the high output reverse light and the optional plug and play for the Morimoto boost bar. If you haven't seen that, it just screws in above your license plate, plugs right into the taillight. No wiring necessary, plug and play. We're gonna upfit this 21 XLT you see behind us with all of this. We'll kind of show you how that goes, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all done and see the amazing output that these Morimotos have. Well, the headlight's broken. That's gonna need an extension.
So you had to gut the stock taillight to be able to put that in?
Damn, dude. That looks fire like that, though.